Hello everyone, this is Keith Hoover, founder and CEO of Dashpoint Analytics, where we provide enterprise analytics across all of your electronic medical record systems, ERP, CRM, you name it, for post-acute care, long-term care, senior living, and those sectors. I'm excited to join you today because we are about to release a new version of our real-time quality measure and CASPER report geared towards nursing facilities. And so I just want to demo it today. The key developments here is we are working with two of the major electronic medical record systems. They include PointClickCare as well as NetSmart myUnity. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is an example of our demo. Anyone can sign up at demo.dashpointanalytics.com, and you can go ahead and interact with a number of examples of some of our enterprise analytical dashboards that we provide across multiple systems. But what I wanted to show you today is our updated real-time quality measure and CASPER report. Many of you are familiar with running the CASPER report for your facilities. The problem with that oftentimes is your quality measures are measured quarterly, and therefore you're constantly looking in the rearview mirror and trying to make decisions on the clinical conditions of your residents based upon an MDS that might not have been completed for up to 90 days ago. So here we have a dashboard that pulls directly from your electronic medical record system and tells you in real time the condition of each of your residents as well as your facility-wide quality measure ratings and cut point analysis to give you a better idea of how that might impact your 5-star rating as well. So let me go ahead and dive in. What you're seeing on the screen right now is both the resident level as well as facility level QM report across all the major quality measures, pressure washers, falls, etc., for your resident population in a particular skilled nursing facility. So you can see all the triggered items for each resident. Those would be the X's. And of course, the arrows would indicate whether it's a new trigger in comparison to the last MDS, or a green arrow here without the X means they had it triggered before, but it's no longer relevant. And then down below, we actually have the facility level rating percentages, and this follows the quality measure user guide put out by CMS. The other thing is, for some of you organizations that have multiple skilled nursing facilities, I can quickly switch between them and look at my different resident population via that. The other thing I'd like to point out is I can right-click on any resident and drill through and see the full details of where they are, their bed, admission, discharge date, etc. I can see what quality measure alerts might recently have been triggered. I can see their real-time ADL scores, and I can see also each item related to this, as well as their historical quarter-over-quarter quality measure count. So moving on, I can not only see the real-time, but also the current quarter CASPER. This would be if you were to go ahead and run it for your facility. This should replicate what CASPER via CMS would show. The other thing is we actually have a quality measure score predictor where we do cut point analysis for each and every area that is indicated on your 5-star quality measures. And I can see exactly where I'm landing, and I can see the X, which is the real-time score, so I can see if I'm projected to actually do better or worse related to the real-time score. And then I have my green, yellow, red scoring related to how I would benchmark based upon the overall CMS cut levels for each quality measure. Okay, it will in turn give you the star rating as well. So, and then within each area, we can actually further drill down. I can see my pressure ulcers year versus submitted quarter versus real time. I can see that same cut point analysis and I can also see any actual charting information that's pulling from directly from your electronic medical record, which indicates that you have a pressure ulcer and when it was triggered and why. Okay. And of course, we have this across each one of the quality measure areas. And this again is pulling in real-time information from your electronic medical record. So anyway, I'm glad to present this. If you're interested in seeing it demoed in person, please reach out to us. You can visit our website at www.dashpointanalytics.com or try our demo. Sign up for a free account at demo.dashpointanalytics.com, and we'll be glad to show you what we're capable of, along with a whole bunch of other clinical, financial, marketing, HR, you name it, other dashboards that we provide for your sector. Thank you for your time.